After 2 challenging years, 2022 began with caution and a glimmer of hope. As our economy and sector reopened, and international and domestic visitors returned, our focus was the same as yours: recovery. Fáilte Ireland worked with you, our industry partners, to recover from the pandemic, tackle emerging challenges, and maximise new opportunities to help us rebuild and emerge stronger than before. We delivered a €50 million government funding programme to hundreds of tourism businesses that urgently needed financial support. We provided new expert business training and a calendar of capability-building supports that empowered businesses to grow. Addressing the skills and staffing shortages in our industry remained a priority. Using comprehensive research, we developed training and supports to position tourism as a rewarding sector to work in. We launched our Employer Excellence Programme to spotlight outstanding employers in the industry and provide training to thousands of employees and managers. Together with our industry and government partners, we worked to improve access to a skilled workforce and created dedicated campaigns to drive awareness of exciting careers in tourism for both experienced workers and young minds open to new possibilities. We set our focus on driving domestic tourism and inspired the nation to keep discovering Ireland, making it easier for them to choose the next adventure by enhancing the online presence of tourism businesses and bringing exciting travel inspiration into their homes, so that together we could explore the wonders of our beautiful country. With your input, we created long-term regional development strategies and began working on 37 destination and experience development plans, all tailored to support the sustainable development of tourism in Ireland's ancient East, the Wild Atlantic Way, Ireland's hidden heartlands, and Dublin. And we supported tourism businesses to transform their online presence on our Digital That Delivers programme. And we're just getting started. Together with our partners, we welcomed visitors to 6 newly opened attractions in counties Wicklow, Mayo, Kerry, Monaghan, Meath, and Roscommon. And for the first time in 2 years, we were able to come together to celebrate the magic of festivals. We continue to build a pipeline of business tourism opportunities with hundreds of business events and conferences, and Ireland's biggest ever golf tournaments and conventions. We've continued to support the nation's passion for the great outdoors by developing new walkways and schemes, investing in new cycling trails and greenways, and launching the world's first accredited Blue Ways in counties Meath and Tipperary. Driving climate action in tourism businesses was a key focus for us in 2022. We delivered our first climate action conference for tourism businesses, hosted energy management workshops across the country, and introduced a new carbon calculator, as well as a range of practical guides to help businesses make meaningful changes. To ensure long-term success, we collaborated closely with our parent department and state agencies to develop tourism-specific sustainability plans. We closed the year with the announcement of €68 million in EU Just Transition funding, allocated to Fáilte Ireland to transform regenerative tourism in the Midlands and to develop new opportunities for tourism employment in the communities. Last year, together, we set our tourism industry on the path of sustainable recovery. But there is still much to do. In 2023, we will continue driving sustainable tourism development, so that together we will see our tourism economy recover sustainably and emerge stronger than ever before.